After you downloaded the Traffic Faker, the zip file you can find out in your download section. You just right click and extract that file. So I am using that WinRAR, so I am extracting the file here in the Traffic Faker folder. So it's downloading. Actually it's extracting. So once it's extracted, I just open that extracted folder here. So in this folder you can found the exe is called faker.exe. So this is the exe you need to execute it. What you need to do, you just select that exe and right click and run as administrator. So it's the first step. It will ask you to enter your email and activation code in the form of email colon activation code. So you have received your email active and activation code via your email, the what you have provided at the time of software purchasing. So you need to provide that email and activation code in this format. So you need to first enter your email ID and put the colon like this and activation code. Everything should be in the same line. Here I am entering my email address at jv at reviewAccess.com. Then I just enter the colon symbol here and, put my activation code 012345 A B C D E F. So and once I given that email address and activation code in this format, I just enter. Then it will validate that email address and activation code in the licensing server in the backend, in the background. Once it's validated, it will ask you to enter the keyword to generate content. So remember here, what keyword you are giving. For that keyword you will get some of the bulletproof cheat sheet answer for you, but it's not guarantee for all the keywords what you are entering here. You may or may not be get that bulletproof cheat sheet of answer. So in this case here I am just entering the keyword just like that. The main keyword I am entering plank, sorry, plank to weight loss. This is just for example purpose and enter. Then it will ask you to enter your affiliate or CPA URL. So this is this affiliate, you are entering that your affiliate or CPA URL here would be useful when you use this bulletproof answer sheet on any of your content site, right? So in this case I am just entering my website address itself, nohudar.com, and just enter, and it will ask you to enter how many fake you want. I just entered 15 is enough for me. Then I need to wait for the traffic faker will get the results in the background. So within a few minutes you will get the results like this. In two way you can see that result. The first thing is whether you just copy this whole URL here by right clicking and go edit and copy it and open your browser and enter the details here, just paste it and enter. Then the result will be loading here, right? So I'm getting that 15 bulletproof answers cheat sheet. I'm getting that I can use on Traffic Miner. So or you can just go to that folder where you have entered the traffic faker. Here also you can see this URL, this sorry, this particular HTML. You just double click and it will open directly, right? So this is the way how that the faker traffic faker is working. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Thank you.